like a G-Ray. Oh, yes, I'm ready. Oh, and we're all set. Just say I'm ready.
Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can see, I have some new hair. I have this supernatural bob from Luvmehair. It has minimalistic lace at the top, but it really gives a very natural look. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, install, and styling. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys, but we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Like I mentioned, this hair is from Luvmehair. It came in this purple box right here with their logo on the front. When you open it, there is some tissue paper with a note on it. They also included a hair bag for you to store your wig when you're not wearing it. They have a little postcard which lets you know their refund policy and has their social media. They included a wig cap as well as a little baggie with some extra goodies, which had an edge brush, a little mirror, and a scarf with their logo on it. The wig itself came in a hairnet, as you guys can see, and there was some tissue paper inside. Like I mentioned, this wig is super easy to install because it has a minimal amount of lace just at the top of the wig, and then it has wefts all throughout. So you don't have to glue down this wig or worry about installing it with any adhesive. There's combs, a band inside, as well as adjustable strap. This is the wig straight out of the box on my wig head. It is super bouncy and soft. It has so much movement. This is a realistic yaki straight bob wig, so it does have a little bit of texture to the hair, which you guys will see, but it's super soft, and that minimal amount of lace at the top just makes it very undetectable and super easy to install. I received this wig in 12 inches. This is the wig straight on my head, straight out of the box. As you guys can see, there's that slight texture in the hair, and the bangs do come a bit longer, which is nice if you have a bigger forehead or if you just like longer bangs. But I am gonna go ahead and cut the bangs a little bit, and as you guys can see, the wig is in a nice blunt cut at the bottom of the wig as well. I didn't really do this too perfect or precise, honestly. I just went ahead and cut the bangs a little bit shorter so that they are angled on the sides and a little bit shorter in the center. Moving on into styling, it really doesn't take much. You can honestly wear this wig as is, but I did want to go ahead and just bump under the bangs. As you guys can see here, I take like a few pieces on the top and kind of lift the roots just to add a bit more volume on the bangs. Me personally, I like that look of like messy, kind of effortless bangs, not so perfect. And as you guys can see, it is a little bit shorter in the center, and then they're a little bit longer on the side. And now looking back, I honestly wish that I left the hair in this blunt cut that they did and just straightened it a little bit, because honestly, I loved how it looked watching the video back. I did go ahead and decide to just bump under the whole wig, which was a very clean and cute look, very classic bob, but I do like how the hair actually came, and that's probably how I'm gonna wear the wig in the future, is just straightened. Because this wig is so easy to install and you really don't have to do too much, I just put my hair in 2 braids, as you guys can see, and I was sure to moisturize my hair and my scalp with my Kanea natural hair growth oil. I have it down below. It has so many natural oils in it that really just help to stimulate your hair and your scalp to grow, but also really moisturize and nourish the scalp and hair. So I went ahead and massaged that in, moisturized and oiled my scalp and hair, and then I'm just going ahead and crisscrossing my braids in the back and tucking them under the wig cap. I find that this is a flat enough base, especially because I'm not gluing down this wig. All you have to do is literally guys, all you have to do is pop this wig on, tuck in those combs, and you are good to go. The style of this wig, where it has just this little bit of undetectable lace on top, just makes this wig so practical and easy to install and wear. It's a go-to wig that you can just have on hand. So if you have your hair in braids or in a protective style, and you either just want a quick different look or you just want to cover up your hair, this is perfect to just throw on. This hair is so soft. As you guys can see, I'm just playing with it nonstop, moving it around, and it is so soft. I love that the hair has a bit of texture to it as well, because it also just helps it to look that much more natural. It's not giving, synthetic. It's not giving shiny, fake. It just looks like super healthy, natural hair, and I absolutely love that. As you guys can see here, the hair is super thick as well. It does not look thin whatsoever. I'm not getting any gaps around around my neck or the back of my hair. It is super thick all throughout, and these bangs are also very, very thick. Definitely check out Luvmehair. I tried a different wig from them that was literally the same style as this one with just that little bit of lace on top, but it was actually a curly wig, and I really, really love that one too. This style of wig is just really practical, especially if you are a wig wearer. If you happen to be on a wash day, washing your lace frontal wig or your lace closure wig, but you still have to run out or do something, you can throw on a wig like this over any braids, or even just put your hair in a low ponytail underneath and you're good to go. You have an instant style. You look so put together, cute, chic, and I really, really love it. Again, I like how it looks bumped. It looks very healthy and cute, but I do think it would look cute if the ends were just really straight as well. I found that the bangs were just a bit thick. Like me personally, I've had bangs before and I love like the fringy bang look. So I did go ahead and I actually tweezed and plucked and kind of thinned out the bangs a little bit. So you guys can see here, this is what it ended up looking like when I was completely done styling it. Again, I left the hair bumped at the ends, but I think this would just look so cute if the ends were just super straight and then you have just the bumped under fringy bangs. But let me know what you guys think down below. Either way, this wig is super cute, super easy to install, and very good quality. For $100, guys, this is a wig that is going to last you a very long time. It is human hair and it's very high quality. You can tell by how I'm just moving it, playing with it, how I straightened it, how it bumped, how it feels, how it looks, and how it's performing. So I definitely would recommend Luvmehair if you're interested in any wigs, but definitely this style in particular is just so convenient and I really, really love it. I'll have everything linked down below as always. You guys know the drill. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.